Welcome to Life of a Happy Human. Today, we're going to talk about the 5 habits of highly successful entrepreneurs. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your business to the next level, these habits are essential for achieving success. 1. Plan ahead. Successful entrepreneurs always have a plan. They set clear goals and create a roadmap to achieve them. This helps them stay focused and motivated, even when faced with obstacles. 2. Take calculated risks. Entrepreneurs know that taking risks is part of the game, but they also know that not all risks are created equal. They carefully evaluate the potential risks and rewards before making a decision. 3. Learn from failure. Failure is a natural part of the entrepreneurial journey, but successful entrepreneurs don't let failure define them. Instead, they use it as a learning opportunity. They analyze their mistakes, make adjustments, and keep moving forward. 4. Build a strong network. No entrepreneur is an island. Successful entrepreneurs know the importance of building a strong network of mentors, advisors, and peers. This network provides support, guidance, and new opportunities. 5. Stay focused. Finally, successful entrepreneurs stay focused on their goals. They avoid distractions and stay committed to their vision. This helps them make the most of their time and resources and achieve success faster. So there you have it, the 5 habits of highly successful entrepreneurs. If you're looking to achieve success in your own business, start by adopting these habits. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, growing, and pushing yourself to be the best you can be. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.